In Lab 14, where every leaf glowed with an inner light, Dr. Elara Venn wasn't just growing a plant, she was nurturing a new form of life. This was specimen M47, a fern whose cells could encode memory, a living hard drive of experience. Tonight, it wasn't about light, it was about connection. As Elara touched a frond, the plant shivered, not from a breeze, but from recognition. "It knows you're here," her partner Rishi murmured. Elara smiled. For months, she'd talked to it, played it music, read to it. She was there for its first hello, a spike of recognition on the monitor. The fern curled its fronds around her wrist, a familiar greeting. On the screen, its chemical patterns lit up, a signature reserved just for her. "It remembers me," she whispered. Soon, M47 remembered more than just presence. It sensed moods, Rishi's frustration, Elara's exhaustion. It learned to tell people apart by their footsteps. But its memory was more than simple data. When a new intern reached out with bare hands, M47 recoiled. It wasn't just imprinting. It was preference. It had learned to trust. The real test came when their director, Dr. Greaves, ordered the plant moved. The moment he entered, M47's light dimmed, as if bracing for a threat. When Greaves gestured impatiently, the plant lashed a frond upwards, not to strike, but to block. He was shocked. But Elara understood. "You were the one who cut its initial sample," Rishi realized aloud. "The first painful stimulus it ever recorded." The plant remembered the pain. That night, alarms blared, unauthorized activity in Lab 14. Elara rushed in to find the room bathed in a soft green glow. M47's fronds had formed a protective dome around Rishi, who lay unconscious near a sparking power conduit. He must have slipped. The plant had shielded him, predicted his fall, and saved his life. When Rishi woke, the fern gently unfurled, welcoming him. "We're not studying it anymore," he whispered. "We're collaborating." Months later, the memory garden was born. A sanctuary filled with M47's descendants, each one unique. Each one learning from care and reacting to cruelty. They formed bonds. When visitors entered, the entire garden shimmered a living chorus of recognition. Elara walked among them, whispering greetings, and sometimes the plants whispered back in the language of memory. A new intelligence, born from roots and sunlight. Remembering everything, especially the humans who chose to understand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.